this is Janmijay Bahadur Singh. I'm doing my MBA from SIMC Pune.
Hi, I'm Samruddhi Humad. I'm from Mumbai, but I study in Pune from Bharati Vidyapeeth.
My name is Avas and I'm from MICA and I'm doing my post-graduation at MICA.
Hi, my name is Nihit, so I am from SIMC Pune.
My name is Saru. I'm from Delhi, but I'm studying in NMIMS, Mumbai.
Hi, my name is Soumya Shetty. I study in MICA, Ahmedabad.
Hi, my name is Rashi Agrawal. I'm from Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication, Pune.
I chose DY Works because it's into brand strategy and brand design, and it looks at the bigger picture when it comes to brands, and that's something that I'm really interested in.
I chose DY Works because it's the best branding agency out there.
We have got this kind of pre-presentation talks before any of the companies which comes to the campus for recruitment. And when I was seeing the presentation, I went through the ethnography and semiotics part of the presentation, which deeply interested me.
Many of my friends told about this agency, that this agency is really good, and this is one of the best branding agency in India.
I didn't choose DY Works. DY Works chose me. So I won this internship in a competition. But when I went through the website, I really liked it because of the branding strategies and the company and the products they've branded. So it really interested me to work in here and see what it's like.
While I was going through various options for my internship, I found DY Works as the most appropriate one because it has a mixture of both creatives and strategy, and it's a best combination for a brand management agency.
The atmosphere here is pretty amazing. The work culture is pretty open, and you can go and ask and learn from anyone in any team.
You see people helping out each other in different projects. They don't mind staying back, even if it's not their own project. They don't mind staying back, giving you their insights about things.
There's no restriction between anyone. Like if you can go and talk to the MD, president, even anyone in the around the office area.
There are brainstorming sessions, there are semiotic sessions. So the culture is really nice as compared to the other corporate offices where people are forced to sit in a cabin, work there. So it's pretty cool here.
People, instead of just complaining, passionately believe in what they work and give their 110% to each brand that they work for.
You approach them with a doubt and they'll be like, okay, we are here to help you out. And they're very approachable and it's a great atmosphere to work in. DY Works helped me a lot to understand how a brand is created, how the architecture is formed, and what are the brand essence, core, and everything which is related to brand management. So this internship is very fruitful, has proved very fruitful to me.
So I love the semiotic sessions where the whole office just sits together and brainstorms about certain things.
So I looked out for companies like DY Works, and DY Works is one of the best, is the best actually, according to Economic Times. So I think DY Works kind of justified my inclination towards brand strategy.
The most unique thing about DY Works is that they're really high on research, and I think that's really important. So after the internship, we've got a year of college left, and after that, I'll come back here hopefully.
After DY Works, maybe I could come back to DY Works and join DY Works again.
I'm going to complete my graduation and probably get back in here because it's really nice.